So it's that season again. The graduation ceremonies, the commencement speeches, the crisp diplomas in stiff new folders, the first jobs, the relocations, the photographs that everyone will keep forever. And congratulations to every single one of them. Truly, to everyone who made it across that stage, and to all the families and friends who stood behind them, the ones who sacrificed, who went without, who stayed up through the nights, doing whatever it took so that someone they loved could have a shot. They earned this too, and I wish them every good thing. But this talk is not about them. This one is for the others, the ones nobody makes a speech for. This is for the ones who don't have a hat to throw in the air, the ones who had to drop out, not because they weren't smart enough, not because they didn't try hard enough, but because no one dropped in to help them when it really mattered. The ones watching these videos right now with a lump in their throat, a little sad, maybe a little envious, maybe even resentful. And who could blame them for that? Quietly wondering when, if ever, somebody is going to clap for them. Who is there for these people? Who turns to them and says, I see you. So let me be the one. Let me say it to you right now. Congratulations. I mean it. I know how hard you tried. I know about the nights that nobody saw. I know you wanted this just as badly, maybe even more, and that the difference between you and the one on that stage was never about effort and never about heart. It was about help. It was a door that opened for them but stayed shut for you. It was money or luck or someone in your corner that simply never showed up. And that's not a verdict on you. That was never a verdict on you. And here's what I need you to hear. There are things you've survived that no diploma will ever measure. You have passed tests that aren't printed on any certificate. You kept getting up every time you fell. You kept going when no one was cheering, when there was no stage at the end of it, no folder, no diploma, no photograph. And you went on anyway. And you know, that's not a lesser story, that's a harder one. Your diploma is life itself. And you are still here, still standing, still in it. No one handed you that, but you earned every page. It's not too late for you. It's just that your time may not look like theirs. There may be no ceremony, no audience, no commencement speaker. Maybe it'll be quieter, slower, but it will be entirely your own. And it is coming. I want you to never stop believing in that. And when it arrives, you will know exactly what it cost. And that is what will make it truly yours. The things we are given, we often forget about. The things we fight for, we never do. So here's congratulations to you. You may not have gotten that degree, but what you have attained is a firm hold on life. And that's the one thing no one will ever be able to take away from you.